download the Ricochet Go app onto your iPhone, start out by going to the App Store. Then, in the search field, search for Ricochet Go. You'll see that Ricochet Go appears at the top of the list, and go ahead and click the download button to download the app. Now this should only take a second to download, and once it gets done, you can go ahead and click the open button to open up the app. But also note that the common icon you see on the left-hand side of the screen will be the icon you see on your iPhone. So go ahead and click Open to open up the Ricochet app, and that will bring you to the login page. Now the first option is going to say your store name. When you get your email from your store with all of your login credentials, there will be the store URL. If you're on a computer, you can click this to access your account, but what you're going to need to note is everything before the .rico consign, and you'll want to add that into this field. Next, you can add in your username and password, then go ahead and click Sign In. Once you log in, you'll have the dashboard screen, which is going to allow you to immediately either call or email the store to get in contact with them. Next, you'll have your inventory dashboard, letting you know how many in-stock items you have, the active inventory value, the amount of products sold, and your sold product value. By swiping left, if you swipe left, that'll bring up upcoming expiration, showing you any items that are going to be expiring soon. Swiping again will show you any products sold this week. And by swiping one more time, you can see any purchases made this week. By clicking the hamburger button in the upper left-hand corner, you're going to be able to access the rest of your account. You can log out by clicking the Log Out button in the upper right-hand corner. You can click on Profile in case you need to update your password or any personal information like address or phone number. The Inventory tab is where you can view, edit, and add items. To add an item into your account, you can click the plus button in the upper right-hand corner to bring up the Add Item screen. Now you're only going to see one module at a time, so you'll start out by putting in your product name, or short description, or category. Then, by swiping left, you'll be able to upload a photo, add in the pricing information, or add a variant. And in the final field, if you're using the Ricochet web store, you'll be able to post those items online. By clicking Save, you'll save that item into the system, and by clicking Back, you'll go back to the Inventory tab. You'll be able to switch between pages of inventory by pressing the page caret at the bottom of the screen, search inventory by typing your search term into the search field, or if you click the All drop-down, you can choose to search by an individual column. The Columns button will allow you to choose which columns are viewable on the screen, and because of the lack of real estate, you're only going to be able to choose 2 columns. You also can filter your inventory. You want to run a status for low stock or expired, whatever it might be. And you also do have the ability of clicking the store icon in the upper right-hand corner in case you're a vendor who sells at multiple stores attached to one account. Next, you're going to have the payout field, where you'll see all the items that are currently due to you, your payout history, as well as purchase history.